Hi, my name's Brett O'Reilly and I'm the Head of School for Electrical Installation here at Southend City College, Birmingham. And I'm here to talk to you about the courses that we can offer to get you on track to your career in the electrical industry. Whether you're a school leaver or an adult looking to retrain, with our world-class facilities based across two sites at Bourneville and our Bordsley Green campus, we've got highly trained and experienced staff on hand to support you in whatever your career goals may be. We offer courses from level 1 right up to level 3 across a range of flexible delivery models, including part-time, full-time, day release, and evening courses. So whatever your circumstances, if you're looking to get into the electrical industry, there's never been a better time. So do more, get online and apply for a course here at Southend City College.